Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Soldier for the Lord, and we're back with some Firecracker Hot Wheels racing. And as you guys can see, we've got two Mustangs, so I really don't care who wins. I'm just happy I get to blow up two Mustangs at once. So, we're going to get going here. I don't know. That might have been a tie. I don't know what. That one went a little further, but he kind of got a late start. Alright, we're just going to say the blue one won. But you know what? Doesn't really matter because it was fun to blow up two Mustangs. Alright, we'll catch you guys next time.